Today we're going to bring an outdoor solar light, and this is for post. All right, it's about 3-inch post. I think it's about 3 point something, I forgot the name, but it has a glass here, and I'm going to put it in the description. It has a glass with actual bubbles in here. It's like a real nice shine. Now, light bulb's not included, on and off switch. Solar panel, yes, that's right, solar panel. It's going to charge it up. Just make sure you have enough clearance on your pole. Remote control to turn it off and on. Move the glass. To add it glass, actually, you're gonna have to remove this top 2 screws on the right and on the left. So we're gonna remove them and then top it up, and it has clearance for the off and on switch. All right, you just install it. Just make sure that you have clearance and you have your light bulb prior to setting this up, because if not, you're gonna have to remove the top. All right, controls the next, so we're gonna turn it on to see how it works. All right, here's the light, fully shining. Solar kept it going. We have our remote right here. We can always turn it off if we want.